Is there a James Ben in the house?
James Ben!
Sir James Ben in the house. James Ben.
Come down, please, James Ben!
Excuse me.
Yes.
There's stairs in the back. It's a full house.
I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly sorry. I'm terribly Why are you getting caught up together?
You have 8 minutes to do what you like because you can get down.
Right there. James Ben, sir. Yeah. It says here, Mr. Ben, that you will be doing bird imitations.
Impersonations.
Bird impersonation.
There's a big difference.
There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Sir James Ben and his bird impersonation.
Imitation.
Ladies and gentlemen, James Ben.
7 minutes!
Saucy dang, isn't she? Ladies and gentlemen, as we said, I do bird impersonations, and I'd like to do some of these. But before I do, I'd like to let you know it's a very difficult job to do. I myself have been doing it for 30 years. You know that thing that preserves Pop-Tarts? But it takes a great deal of training. You have to go out into the woods and find those wonderful little birds in order to better impersonate them. So with that in mind, I'd like to do some birds. The first bird I'd like to do is the Umack bird. Umack bird. It's a very rare bird. It's hard to find too because it's nocturnal. But if you go into the woods and stand very quiet, you can hear it flying from branch to branch. Is that Umack? Is that Umack? That's him. There you go. My next bird. I'd like to do something very special. This is what I like to call the Alcatraz jailbird. Jailbird, sorry. Alcatraz jailbird. It's a very hard bird to find because you have to get an appointment. And you have to talk over those phones and try to figure out what the blasted thing, what the wonderful little bird is saying. So with that in mind, Alcatraz jailbird, 2 minutes. I'm innocent, see? I didn't do it, see? You can't pin this on me, see? I want you to leave there. I'm innocent, see? You can't pin this on me, see? See? Yeah. Oh, he did so do it. I saw him. I saw the whole thing with my own 2 eyes. So there. That's the stool pigeon. For my next bird, I'd like to do something very special. Sorry about that last one. I ate at a Mexican restaurant today. The next bird that I'm going to do for you is very special, Michael. And I hope that you will appreciate this piece. known as the Broadway magpie. Very hard bird to impersonate because they're usually out of work. That's showbiz. So with that in mind, the Broadway magpie. Love! There's a canary in here somewhere. Love, but certainly not leave. Last but certainly not least is a very rare bird. Haven't they all been, really? I'm sure you'll think of that line as much as I am. But this bird is even rarer because it's extinct. I beg your pardon, madam. Are you laying eggs? It's nesting season. This is wonderful. The next bird I'm going to do is the famous dodo bird. Very hard bird to impersonate because there were no tape recorders back then. They had no such thing as surround sound. So, for this bird, I must ask, no, I must demand one thing from the audience, and that is absolute silence, please. Obviously, no one was listening, because this is a very long call, tremendously high in pitch. So when I do it, somewhere in Manchester Springs, St. Bernard will slip and say, "That." And again, absolute silence, please.